Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Sony Earbud case blinking red light. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Sony earbuds here, there are going to be a few things that you can try here to probably solve that issue. So in this case, you want to start by removing the case from the charging pad. So if you're using a wireless charging pad here, you want to take off the case, and sometimes the case can overheat during charging here. So give it some time to cool off, and this usually is what it only needs. So once it feels back to normal or the temperature is back to normal, then you're ready for the next step here, which includes you placing it back into your charging pad and make sure it's properly aligned, because if it's off center, the charging might not work here. So if you're not sure how to position it, you might want to check the manual for your charging pad. Also, another thing that you might want to do here is you might want to remove any attachment. So if you got like a case cover on your earbuds or in your earbud case here, you want to remove that, or anything else or any accessories you have here, just take it off while charging, and this can sometimes actually block the connection. And also pay attention to the temperature here. So charging works best if the temperature is between around 15 Celsius and 35 Celsius here, which is around 59 Fahrenheit to 95 Fahrenheit. So if it's too hot or cold, the charging might not work properly. Now, if none of those actually work, the next best thing or last thing you could do here is to reach out to Sony support. So they could actually fix this for you. So you just need to reach out to their support, because most likely there's going to be a lot or a deeper problem on your device here, which in this case a technician or a professional is the best course here, because you might if you tinker with other connections inside it, you might break your earbud case further. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.